Hello. Um, it's always funny when I make these. I just recorded another one. Like I'm gonna keep saying that. I don't know how many times I'm gonna keep saying that, but yeah, I'm gonna keep saying that. Bro, today was so crazy. For one thing, things were going well, and then I was trying to build out the integrations, so the automation integrations. Like the site is effective. It's like almost. I don't want to call it perfect, but like if there are any errors, then I will check them out by testing, because like I'm already doing link tests and like everything is kind of like working. So now what I want to focus on is the part where the user puts in the submission and then everything just works in the back end. And that is going extremely interestingly, because what happened was, like, while I was building out the site, I realized that I could add features, and then I'm retroactively adding features into Airtable, and then now I need to retroactively add them into the workflow again. So it's like, I created more work for myself basically. But this more work is a good thing, because I feel like it'll make the overall experience for the user 10 times better. So as you know, yesterday I added, so it's like I added another user type, which is prospect. Prospects aren't allowed to create content, at least according to my understanding of how the platform is supposed to work or how I'm designing it. But that could totally be changed like very easily. So what is happening here is effectively you want there is a counter for the number of days that someone, like, when someone creates when someone repurposes their content on this day, say, depending on what plan they're on, they have to wait a certain number of days before they repurpose content again. And then once they do that, they have this countdown timer, right? That's effectively just telling them, hey, you need to wait until this day to like repurpose your content. So I'm taking that into consideration. I'm taking, that's basically their plan. I'm taking their plan into consideration. I'm taking their level, so it's like whether they're client or their prospect or whatever, I'm taking that into consideration. There's quite a few like little small moving parts that need to be considered. This isn't even the thing. Like, I just shot a video for page and avatar creation, and it worked really well. Let me just show you the video. Look at how smooth the movements are.
Is like having a bucket. It makes content creation easier.
Oh my god.
Research shows companies that post 16 plus blogs a month get 3.5x more traffic. Set up automated workflows for emails, social media, and lead generation. 67% of companies using automations.
If you watch my content, you'll know that this isn't the first time you're seeing her face. It's because I finally managed to figure out how to do background images, which is wonderful. This is very important. Like, if you understand my previous concept that I was like kind of playing around with, it was the idea of sort of taking one whole script and then splitting it into different portions of a script, right? And then running through OpenAI and then taking sort of like analyzing that portion of the script, finding sort of an emotional sort of expressionism to it, and then putting that back together and then creating a different loops, because like as you can tell, this is like unfinished, but it's my create videos version 2. So this would be another loop where it wouldn't be a loop actually. You'd put all of these together, so for every different section of a video, look, for every different text that you have, you will have different sort of these, because like when you're sending a payload to Hagen, there's a video object. There's a video objects. What is it called? Damn it! How can I keep forgetting this? Okay, there is a video. It's video inputs. That's it. It's a video inputs array, which is effectively it's defining the character and the voices and like everything else that might go into it. So yeah, you take all of that, like imagine you split the script and then you define how it should go, and then you put everything back together, and then you put it in like a new payload, and then it goes through. So you could have like shifting backgrounds, you could have shifting images, you could have shifting expressions, shifting AI motion types. You could have your like more dynamic videos, basically, is what I'm saying. So if I define it correctly, I think that's going to be like my final project, because like every week I like do these kind of projects. So this is like going to be my final one, and yeah, I think it's going like extremely well. So I've already gone through what's going on with client work, and I've kind of gone through what's going on with brand stuff. My social media presence is like going up. I'm getting more impressions on LinkedIn like every single day. It's kind of crazy now, because I don't even have time to like reply to those people. I'm trying to scale on Instagram. I'm getting likes from like people, like old friends and stuff. It's kind of interesting. Like, I wonder what they think. I don't know. Like if I look at myself right now and I think, like, say hypothetically, if I was looking from the outside in, and I'd be like, oh my god, that's the guy I used to go to class with in uni, or oh my god, that's the guy I used to go to school with. It would be kind of interesting. I wonder what they think. Not that I care too much, it's just like, I just find it interesting. Maybe I could rebuild those relationships, for future cooperation purposes, because they're very smart people. Like, if there's ways to collaborate with people, then I would love to like have that. I don't know, my mind is always in like business mode these days. It's kind of insane. Like, I cannot stop thinking about it. Like, I feel kind of like hungry, like all the time, just fucking hungry. I mean, how can you live this, life and not want more? I don't know. I genuinely don't get it. Yeah, maybe I'm just weird. So yeah, this was basically what I was doing today. Did some client work. Did this video, which took me way longer than it should have. But now that I managed to like figure it out, and now that I managed to figure it out, I can just move on and then start actually doing some really useful stuff, like the thing I just told you, where I could have shifting backgrounds, which is a brilliant idea. Like, if I do say so myself, brilliant idea. I could even integrate like other sort of platforms. I know there's JSON to video. There was an application I saw from this one lady where she was like talking, right? She was doing talking head, but the images behind her were like shifting every few seconds. And she didn't do it the way I'm thinking about doing it. She did it in a totally different way, where she specified the background color, I think, before. So she set the background sort of like the object in that video inputs array. She set the video background to a color, like a green color, and then she had that replaced it by JSON to video in some ways, like by defining it somehow. So I would love to like see that application and apply it to myself if I can. But if I do something like that, that will take my video generation times to an extreme level, which is, I don't know if it's something that I'm willing to like have, because one minute video, okay, that video is actually like 54 seconds, but it's taking 7x, like it's taking 7 times the amount of time to create. Actually, probably more. It's probably like 7 minutes, probably like 8 minutes actually, because it waits 60 seconds before it does the things. So it has to wait for 60 seconds, and it did that 7 times. 7 times. Okay, you can't see it here, but like this was a 7 before. The only reason it's a 1 now is because I ran this retroactively. But yeah, it waited 7 minutes. So it takes 7 minutes to generate one video. This is a good thing for me to know and understand, because I want to scale up my video production for digital marketing purposes. I was speaking about this before. This is not an idea anymore. It's going to happen. That's a really nice sound. Anyway, this is not an idea anymore. Like it's happening. I already have a business partner. You might see her one day if I ever feel like it. But yeah, this is definitely going to happen, and she's like the customer relations / account manager, and I am the AI automation / funnel builder. So hopefully we like collaborate and like make some really big things happen. But I feel like if you're making AI videos and the quality is like this good, where it's just talking head,
see more engagement. Imagine
like,
nurturing
look at
leads
this,
while
how
you sleep.
expressive this is.
Don't set and forget your workflow.
Yeah. If you saw this on Instagram or like somewhere, you wouldn't even like think too much. You'd just be like, oh yeah, just a pretty lady talking on screen. And you wouldn't be wrong. It's just the lady isn't a lady. It's a voice model and an AI video generated kind of thing. But yeah, we're doing this, and then we're taking it in the direction of UGC and ads, and we're going to be doing affiliate marketing. So we're marketing other people's products on video websites. So like, I guess we're gonna start on TikTok. If TikTok performs well, we might move to Instagram as well. But I feel like you should just do as many platforms as you possibly can at one time. I just don't want to like scale up her work for now. So we'll start small, have like a pilot project for a week or something. We'll see results. We'll post maybe 1 video per day or 2 videos per day. We'll gauge results, and then we'll work from there. I'm not expecting anything. Like this isn't like my videos where I'm putting templates on Gumroad and then putting them out in the video description, and then marketing my videos in school communities that have people who want to build things like these. This isn't like that. Like, this is organic, strictly organic, where she's relying on the algorithm to like somehow help her find her people. So in the beginning, this won't happen very easily. Like, the algorithm has to learn what content you make and where to put it. So yeah, as I said, it's going to be like a pilot program, and it's going to take time, but I'm not expecting results in the short term. I'm in my head, I'm thinking by mid-April I wouldn't mind to have, like, if I had made 1 sale. If I'm doing 1 video per day for that affiliate stuff, even if I'm promoting 1 product, 1 sale, I think 1 affiliate sale is like perfect for me. And the like, it would validate that what I'm doing is right, which is great. With most AI affiliate products, you don't need that many, because when I think about it differently, it's like the HeyGen platform, the HeyGen API, I'm getting access for $99. If I have a product that is $25, right? So when I say $25, I mean 25 coming to me. Even if it's like a 50% kind of split for like promoting it, I only need to sell 4 times to make that money back, which is insane. Like, if you really think about it, it's insane. But those are just the numbers that are possible, and that's the thing with like content. It's just a numbers game. So the more numbers you have, the more numbers you stand to make. And I might ask for your number so you should just drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you want to scale your brand online, then you know who to like hit up. Just like put something in the comments, or like check out one of the links in the description. I'll see you when I see you, and that's probably going to be tomorrow. Goodbye.